Hey, Earl, how do I explain why they should pay me when Airbnb only charges 3%?
Great question. Let me show you how to flip that objection into an opportunity. You see, Airbnb is just a platform, a tool you can use, but I'm a partner. Let me break down what that really means for you. Here's the real difference. 1. Airbnb is a website. It just connects guests to listings. It doesn't screen for quality guests, offer dynamic pricing, or fill your property with pre-approved corporate or insurance stays. It's passive. What I offer is an income strategy. I don't wait for someone to maybe book your unit on a weekend. I strategically place tenants that bring consistent premium income staying weeks to months, not just 2 to 3 nights. 1. You don't pay me to just post a listing. You pay me to turn your asset into a business. My fee includes marketing to high quality tenants, negotiating with companies and insurance agencies, full guest and maintenance coordination, and filling your calendar in advance, not last minute. 1. That 3% Airbnb charges, that's for processing credit cards and a calendar. That's not management, strategy, or wealth building. It's like comparing a vending machine to a personal chef. Want to scale this property into a true asset? You don't need another booking, you need a blueprint and a partner. If you're ready to walk through your numbers and make this property perform like it should, let me know. Earl McCray, Real Relief Consulting, Superhost, STR, Wealth Strategist, helping homeowners turn properties into passive income machines.